Your arms won't bend up like that. How the hell do you put your bra on?
I'm getting cramp.
Mom,
You can't.
Mom, you don't have to go all the way. Caress your cheeks.
Yeah, just do your cheeks, Mom.
Ow! Ow!
Ow.
Oh. And then you'll have to stay here. Because all the junior airmen have to wear their goggles.
Anna, just sit there.
Can you do it?
Do it? No, apparently not. She hasn't had nearly enough to drink.
Can you do it?
Yes, Becky. Can you do
I can't do it. Make my arms go up.
Make my goggles go away. You got it on that one side.
Are you gonna have your brother
You're not going.
You too.
This
Oh, yeah.
Can you do it?
I'm afraid so.
Will you do it? Let me see you do it.
Mine's broken. I lost the
Oh,
line.
look at Betty.
Hey, Betty.
Mom.
We're gonna win like
And then you gotta flap your arms.
Yeah, baby.
No, Mom, move your hands.
Look, that's it.
I can't even do it anymore now.
You try it. I can't
Yeah,
do it.
you try
I
it.
can't do it. You can't do it either.
Some of us accept our limitations.
We really don't want to look stupid on video.
Yeah, that's one of those YouTube moments. I'd never do it because I'm afraid someone would videotape me doing it.
Is that it?
Yeah, you got it. Sort of, not.
It's not,
You got
it's
this
not
thing
right.
going on. Yeah, you're not destined to
Still
fly.
doesn't know.
Up in the air.
doing the dude.
Junior.
I cannot do it.
You cannot. Maybe you should stop trying.
You're doing the-
Maybe that's all
what
that's
is it?
wrong.
Oh, God.
is you've
Pure
done too
Snaz
much.
Junior Birdman.
Maybe I should
Hey,
start
Mom.
drinking.
Well, you haven't had nearly enough.
I'm drinking iced tea.
That's the problem. Let's see if we can find the cause.
27.
Flex your
I
fingers.
promise so. I double checked.
But it has to be upside down.
Use the Zen.
Use it. Mom. Mama.
Try it.
They don't have to be
Try doing your
connected.
Put your fingers right here first.
Huh?
Put your fingers
Hey,
on your jaw.
try doing your hands this way and then rolling them up.
Yeah.
Mama, do what I do.
Put your middle fingers on your jaw and then roll up. If you can't roll up, you're not gonna do it. Put your fingers right here. Now, put your palms. Put your fingers on your jaw. Put these on your. You're not gonna be able to do it
Why?
because your palm has to touch your
That
side of your
thing is,
face.
she's sober as can be.
That's your thumb, not your thumb. Your palm.
Okay, honey, after you roll, try licking your elbow.
Mom.
Palm.
Jimmy do me
Yes.
now.
Now your palms on. Yeah.
Woo! No, move your arms like this.
Now flap
I can't see.
Mama, look at me when you do this.
How are you with box of chocolates?
I am not able to do this.
No, you're not.
We've all got to accept the limitations God has put upon us.
Did I do it?
I'm afraid yours might be.
Start with the simple
That's it.
things.
I did it.
No, move your arms.
Ow! She stabbed herself. She's the only person who's had a 911 injury. What's the nature of injury? Well, we were doing Junior Birdman.
Do Junior Birdman and
Oh, yes, we
she
know.
put her
We've had
nail under
4
her
of those tonight.
Is it a shoulder injury?
Yeah.
No,
That's a
no.
fingernail. Just a fingernail.
You do it. You do it. I can't be the only one that can't do it.
Well, apparently you are.
Most others who figured they couldn't do it.
Yeah, did I do it?
Yeah. I mean, it looks like you're wearing cat, the old cat rim glasses.
Did I do it?
Turn around and show the camera. Here, do that
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it one more time.
No.
Why not?
The damn camera on.
Oh, yeah, Cat.
You had it since you started.
No.
Right
Yeah.
now.
Mom.
Son of a bitch.
It's not like I warned you.